Yeah, he's learning. He knows what he's talking about.
Oh!
Oh!
Oh! Hey! I don't even have 5. I got a 3.
Alright guys, check out this first frame though.
Wow, what a first frame from us, huh?
Wow, look at us. It's like we're bowlers or something. Here. Check this out. Like,
First frame.
what a first frame. Don't know what's gonna happen for the rest of it, but we'll see. We'll see. What? There we go. Started off strong.
Yeah, let's go. He's locked.
Wow, locked in.
Oh, man.
Locked in.
Oh, you distracted him.
You got a card?
Shake your muscles, free your mind. Let's leave all the negative things behind. Don't forget to smile. Let's dance together. This moment forever. Jump up your energy. Feel the beat, set your body free. Let's go higher, let's go far. Shine your light like a shining star. Higher, stronger. Go beyond your limits and shine. Shine. Jump up your energy. Feel the beat, set your body.